Hi there. So right now we're moving to more artistic part. I'm gonna show you how to create a LinkedIn banner for yourself. Now, the easiest way for you to do, like if you really don't want to explore this graphic design side of yours, right, you can just type linkedinbackground.com, right? This is the website. Very, very simple. And there are like different pictures basically, right? Everything, if you feel like it's relevant to your industry or it just looks good, you can like filter by business or corporate, right? And like whatever by any section. If you feel like this is something you would like to utilize, please go ahead, right? I will show you how to create your own. So the software that I use and I love is called canva.com. Once you enter it and you go to search bar and you type a LinkedIn banner, and you will see many templates, right? Now you can see like different kind of designs and you can take any kind of design and like kind of optimize it, right? I'm just going to show you that a good design can be created even from a blank profile, right? So once you create a design, yeah, let's call it somehow. Let's put it a name here. Now, what you need first is the piece of art, right? So you need a picture. So there are three resources that you can use. One is called Unsplash, unsplash.com. Another one is called Pixabay, pixabay.com. And another one is called Pexels, pexels.com, right? So I don't know. I usually go with Unsplash, and you can just type by keywords whatever you want to, whatever art you want to use. Like let's say I don't know. You are a construction professional, let's say. Let's go with construction. I don't know, just make it up as I go, and look at different pictures of whatever there is, whatever makes sense for you. All right, try to make like let's see like that this picture looks tasty, right? Like say you're a builder, right? So you press right click on it, you copy the image, you return to your LinkedIn page, you paste it here, you click right page on the picture, and you set image as the background. You click double click, and you will be able to like adjust it and align it so it looks pretty, right? And that's pretty much it. You have your picture here, right? Now, what you need to do is to add elements, right? So this is one way to design, and you add like a little square, right? So you just take it and grab it here. You can adjust the heights, lengths, right? You can change the color. So the aesthetic trick of it is just to use elements, and then over here in the right top corner, you can change their transparency. You can decrease transparency to like 60, I don't know, 68, 60 something. So it's a little bit transparent, right? And then you just add text. So in your, here, text, right? So you can find all different types of text here and yeah, whatever you like. Don't go with too fancy, right? I would go with something very simple. So let's say this one. Click on it, it appears, all right? And you put your name. Yeah, that's it, right? And then let's say I don't like this second element. I just delete it if I want, right? I take my name and I drag it, and it's gonna be right here, right? Now, as I mentioned before, like you can utilize your banner in order to showcase what's your game, what's your expertise. So you add some text as well. Again, here, add heading, add subheading. You just use different size. Here you use the different fonts. Like let's say I want to go with glacial indifference, right? And you put three areas of your professional expertise. Now this is the duty. It is your task. You need to think about it. So if you say like I don't know, construction, building, yeah, I don't know. I'll just come up with architectural design. Why would I say architectural design? I don't know, but I don't know. construction building. Yeah, let's call it design. Yeah, let's say there. This is how it would look like. Again, for you, like whatever it makes sense. If you're a business analyst or if you're a marketing specialist, and you can align it like this. And that's it. This is like the simplest one that you can make, right? Again, you can play around. You can, sorry, over here, you can copy the page. It will duplicate the page. If, yeah, take a look around. Maybe there will be some other piece of art that you will like more. You can copy it. You can paste. Set it as, replace the background. Adjust the background a little bit, right? And adjust the color of the block, and there you go, right? You have a little bit different style. Make sure it is aligned, everything looks pretty. So play around with fonts, play around with different stuff. Now, uh, let me give you another example. You want to go not with a simple um, not with a simple font, right? But you want to make something very artistic. You can go to fontmem.com, calligraphy fonts. This is the website, right? And here you can create a like basically with all kinds of fonts. If it's not something that Canva allows you to do, you can choose any kind of like fancy fonts. Let's say we go with Blacksword, and I want to say I want to write these words. Make sure that you put 300, that's the maximum resolution that they give. And if you go with white color, yeah, you generate a word. You can see here it is, right? It shows you. Same thing, right click, copy image, come back to your Canva, copy paste. And now you have it in a very, very artistic way, right? So if this is something you're into, if it makes sense to you again, maybe you want to show your graphic design skills, right? Maybe you want to show your personality. You can use this fontmem.com, calligraphy fonts, or any other types of fonts. Play around with it. You can change color, you can change size, you can change all kinds of calligraphic fonts, right? And then you can, again, insert it as an element. All right. So again, now fantasy is only the limit, right? With this kind of elements, sorry, with this kind of brown elements, right? Again, you can change their angle, their position, right? So let's say I don't like this block kind of looking design, so I want to make it like this, right? And this is something you can do, right? So and now we need to readjust it a little bit. Maybe it's gonna look like this. This seems too big. I don't want my name to show so big. Make it smaller, right? So really, it's all the matter of taste right now. Everything will be the question of aesthetics, right? But you can play around with this kind of elements, make it look really, really good. Now, the last trick that I wanted to show you is that you can use also icons, right? There's a resource called flaticon.com if you want to put a funny, like nice looking icon that will summarize what you do. Let's say we're into construction. You can see all the crowned ones marked with crowns. They are premium, so not free, but there are many of them that are free. Okay, it takes time to load. So different icons, right? Uh, I don't know, whatever it is. Yeah, if you want to make it colorful, you can choose a colorful. Yeah, but let's say you want to have it like this. You can edit icon, right? And you can change the color. Okay, I'm sorry about that. I need to log in. So it's gonna take some time. So yeah, in order to change the color, right? If I don't want it in black, if I want it in white, you will have to be logged in, and it doesn't let me in for some reason. Okay, now it does, right? So you can see there are different packs also, like they are sorted thematically. And yeah, let's say, where are we? We wanted to find a construction icon, right? Construction icon, and whatsoever, edit icon. So you can see they also right here at the bottom, they come in different styles. You want it like transparent, you want it black, you want it colored with outline, or you want it without an outline, just plain, right? So in color, yes, I want to have it in white. And then you do the same thing, right? You, yeah, you can download it, right? You download it as PNG in maximum resolution, and here it is. You've downloaded it. So now you just take your download and you drag it here. Okay, what's going on? Okay, we're gonna open it. Oops. Okay, are we still recording? Something, something lags. Oh boy. Okay, if we're still recording, let's check. All right, so here's our picture, and you just drag it and you put it on your Canva, and it should be okay. Just like this. There you go. So we put it there. You can resize it. You can put it here, and you can put different kind of icons for graphic design. All right, I hope it helps, and I'm looking forward to seeing your great designs.